Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Brazil is going crazy answered. Follow my clear guide as I unpack political polarization, economic pressure, public protests, and media dynamics step by step so you can understand root causes and real consequences. I will show how elite conflicts, rising prices, and regional inequalities combine with viral social media to intensify reactions. Listen for specific examples and simple ways to make sense of headlines and street scenes. In this video, I will explain why Brazil is going crazy answered. I walk you through how political gridlock, heated campaigns, and scandals make citizens feel betrayed and reactive, increasing street mobilization and confrontations. You will hear how fractured parties and contested institutions magnify small disputes into national crises, and why media framing turns tactical moves into existential debates. This clarity helps you spot patterns beneath daily chaos and assess likely outcomes calmly. If you're finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support more explainers. Quick recommendation. For busy days during protest coverage or long editing sessions, I love leak-proof meal prep containers that keep lunches tidy and prevent messy spills in backpacks, perfect for commuters and reporters. They save time and reduce stress, and they make meal prep way easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain why Brazil is going crazy answered. I explain how inflation, job losses, and uneven development create pressure that turns ordinary grievances into mass demonstrations and social tension. You will understand how diminished public services and unmet expectations intensify anger, and how economic shocks interact with political narratives to escalate conflicts. By connecting macro factors to personal hardships, this explanation makes the turmoil easier to follow and less mysterious.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.